Hello, this is Mr. Ulis with you from Learn Fluent English.
Astro, no.
With a new lesson, okay, for you to master your English language. Okay, so today's lesson is about what or how or what kind of phrases you should use when you're at the restaurant. So usually I start my lessons by giving the objectives in the lesson. Okay, so this lesson is about how to make order in a restaurant. Okay, and we'll talk about food and drinks. Okay, so we usually start this kind of lesson by a little conversation. Okay, in order to have a little bit appreciation about what will in this lesson. So let's imagine a conversation between two people. We have first people who is the waiter. The waiter is the person who works at a restaurant. Okay, and of course a client or a customer. Okay, so the conversation started by a question from the waiter. The waiter say, what would you like for dinner? What would you like for dinner? And the customer answers for this question, I'd like the steak, please. I'd like the steak, please. Waiter carry on. And for you, sir, I'd like the chicken with rice, please. The waiter answered right away. So, as you noticed that there are some kind of vocabulary which is usually used in these kind of situations. So, as we heard the word dinner, the word steak, the word chicken, the word rice. Okay, and a polite manner to answer for a client from a waiter, which is right way, sir. Right way, sir. Okay. And so, in order to test your, if you memorize the conversation between the waiter and Mr. Miller or the customers for the restaurant, I will give you some questions, okay, and the answer will be by true or false. Okay, so first question, which is, the customers are at a coffee. The customers are at a coffee. Please write down at the comments your answers. Okay. So If you are new to watch this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Of course, like and share with friends. Also turn on the bell button in order to be notified by any new of this channel. Okay, so the second question, the customers would like a hamburger. The customers would like a hamburger. Third and final question, customers would like the chicken with rice. The customers would like the chicken with rice. So don't forget to write your answers on the comments, okay? I hope that everyone will get the right answer about all the questions, okay? If it's not the case, you've just to restart the video from the beginning of the conversation and of course write down your answers. Okay, we'll carry on by the meals time or the meal times. Okay, we have first breakfast and the lunch. At the end we have dinner. The breakfast is the first meal that we usually eat at 7 o'clock. Okay, so at the morning time. Let's have let's question. So if I ask you what would you like at the breakfast time, what will be your question? For me, it will be I'd like a toast and a coffee. I'd like a toast and a coffee. This is for breakfast time. Second meal is the lunch meal. We usually take it at midday. So 12 o'clock of the day, midday. Okay. The same thing. What would you like to eat for today? If everyone will write his own answer on the comments. Okay. For me, I'd like a hamburger today. And the last meal will be the dinner. So we usually eat it at 7 o'clock p.m. So at the evening time. Okay, the evening time. The same thing I will ask you, what would you like to eat for dinner today? For me, I'd like chicken. Okay. So we'll have a little course on the language structure used in these desk conversations or these phrases. We heard a lot, many times, the use of would like. This expression is usually used when we ask for something or when we want to get something, okay, and we express this need politely by using this expression would like. So I can say I would like a glass of orange juice, or we can use the short form of would like or I would like, which is I'd like a a glass of orange juice. Okay, he, she, or would like fish and chips. A glass of water. A glass of water. We would like two small pizzas. We would like two small pizzas. They would like a salad. They would like a salad. And the short form is usually I'd like, he'd like, she'd like, we'd like, they'd like. Okay. The contracted form of word. Okay. There is another expression, polite expression used usually by waiter or waiters, which is may I take your order, which equals to say what would you like to order, what would you like to eat or to drink. Okay, so may I take your order is the same thing of what would you like to eat or what would you like to drink. Remember, there's phrases we usually find them use them when we are at a restaurant. So when we ask for something to eat or something to drink. Okay, so don't forget about this. Please, when I ask a question, I want everyone who is watching right now the video to make a comment as an answer about the question. Okay, and if you don't understand anything, you have also the right to ask me on the comments. Okay. So I remember you. Don't forget to like and share. Turn on the bell button to be notified by any new of this on this channel video. So today's lesson was about some phrases and some vocabulary usually used when you're in the restaurant or at the restaurant. So I hope that I make it easy for you, and if it's not the case, please make your requests on comments, and maybe we'll change the way to give the lessons. Okay, so don't forget to hit the like button, to hit the share button, turn on the bell button. Okay, so till the next time, I hope everyone will be at a good mood and good shape, also good health. So see you next time. Have a good time. Thank you for watching the video.